How to install or download Instagram on your laptop or PC. So to start, we'll have to open first our Microsoft Store. To do that, go at the bottom part of the screen, tap on the search bar, and then in here, we'll have to type Microsoft Store. Once you see the app, simply tap on the open option. So in here on the Microsoft Store, we'll have to go on the search bar. In here, we'll have to type Instagram and then simply tap on search. After that, it will automatically show you the app. So in here, as you can see, mine says open since I have already downloaded and installed the app on my laptop or PC. But if you haven't downloaded or installed the app on your laptop or PC, you are supposed to see an option here to install or simply get. All you need to do is to tap on the install option. Once you do that, it will automatically download the app on your laptop or PC. And then once the app is downloaded or installed on your laptop or PC, it should say here open. All you need to do is to tap on the open option and then simply log into your Instagram account. Once you are logged into your Instagram account, this is how it should look like once you open your account on your laptop or PC. So that's how easy we can download and install Instagram on our laptop or PC. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.